Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying well. So, after exam, this is my first tutorial. So, we are going to start with the next chapter, chapter number 14, Electricity and Circuits. So, before going further with this chapter, I think you all have to know about the electricity. So, what is electricity? The flow of electrical charges is be known as electricity. So, even we can say it is a secondary energy source, which means that we get it from the conversion of other sources of energy. Like nowadays, we are using solar energy or the conversion of the solar energy as a electric energy. Even in case of the water, will convert uh, electricity, means we convert or generate electricity from water resources. Okay, and that is be known as a hydro power station or a hydro power plant. And the electricity that is be generated from the coal is be known as thermal power or the thermal power plants where the energy get be generated. So same way we can generate electricity nowadays from wind. It means electricity is a energy that we convert from other sources, like from the solar energy, from wind energy, and from water energy, and from the coal, and from the nuclear power also. So electricity is created when electrons flow through a conducting wire or a conducting material like copper, iron, aluminium, etc. So in this chapter, we are going to study about the importance of energy, electric energy especially. So nowadays, even we cannot assume our life without electricity, because our number of gadgets like television, fridge, AC, fan, cooler, heater, all are be running on electricity, and we cannot assume our life without that. So electricity has become an unavoidable part of our life. Okay, so in overall we can conclude this thing that electricity is now be the unavoidable part of our life. It will be unjust if we remain ignorant about it. In this chapter, we are going to learn some basic facts about electricity. So, first of all, we are going to discuss about where does electricity come from. Okay, as we already discussed that electricity is be very important for us, and we are not even to unavoid that from our life. So the first even source of continuous flow of electricity was a cell that has been made by an Italian scientist. That the name of that scientist is Alessandro Volta. The cell devised by him was called a voltaic cell. After his name, there were some practical difficulties in the working and handling of voltaic cell is be faced. The scientist then worked to get over the difficulties by improving the cell, and after the means hard work on this voltaic cell, this cell is be then converted into a dry cell and being designed as a dry cell. so that we are using nowadays in a torch, in remotes, etc. Today, the journey of the cell given us a variety of cells. Nowadays, we are not even only using the dry cells or the cells that we are using in the batteries or in the toys, etc. Even then, we are having a variety of cells, that is be dry cell, button cells, solar cells, and storage cells. Button cells that we are using in a means wrist watches, etc. And even in the toys we are using all these type of cells. But the cell can provide electricity called electric current. So basically, that the electricity is provided by the cell is be known as electric current. But this electric current we can use for a limited period of time, and it can be over after a short period. So there are many devices that need a higher flow of current for a longer time. So for that, we need a regular flow of energy. Thank you. Have a nice day all.